bathroom. In the bathroom.
This intermission might not last long. I don't see Colin in there anymore either, but maybe he went to go get lunch.
Court does call the case of the People versus Gregory Bell.
Does this for the people?
It's Carbonell on behalf of Mr. Bell. Gregory, please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gregory Bell, or good afternoon, Your Honor. Gregory Bell approaching for the defense.
All right. Well,
I
former
now
attorney
have a
judges will have
plea
it.
form that indicates that what I had indicated before, probation and may seek prosecutor deferred for the case being final completion of probation. All right, very good. Okay. Okay, I have it.
You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to go truth and nothing but the truth so be on.
Yes, ma'am.
Lower your hand and state your name again.
Gregory Allen Bell.
Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of failure to return rental property $200 or more, $200 or more, but less than $1,000. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year. Oh,
I'm sorry, I'm looking at the equipment. Thank you.
There's too much noise behind me. Thank you, Your Honor.
not a problem, sir. Good.
No, there's a lot of static.
No, you may not have it turned on.
Oops, sorry. It's on.
Yeah, that's better.
Can you hear it?
Yeah, that's too high.
Okay, sure. I'll let you just.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Form indicates that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of failure to return rental property $200 or more, but less than $1,000. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court costs. The fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property not returned. If that's greater than $2,000, that would be the maximum fine. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. I also have to advise you that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Washington in the 14B District Court.
That's my understanding here too, Your Honor.
All right, very good. Understanding all of that, still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, sir.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
I did, Your Honor.
Any question regarding those rights?
None, Your Honor.
Look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this voluntarily,
Yes, Your Honor.
your own free will,
Yes, Your Honor.
and because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
On the date or between the dates of March 12th, 2024 and March 20th, 2024, location at 2714 Washington Avenue in Pittsfield or in Ypsilanti Township, Washington County, State of Michigan. Did you rent some property?
I did, Your Honor.
What'd you rent?
A truck.
All right. And did you return that property?
No, Your Honor.
All right. And you would agree that the place that was supposed to get, they were supposed to get the truck back.
Correct.
All right. And that you did not return it to them.
Correct.
All right. And that the value of that truck, although it's a Dodge, is in excess of $200.
I would suspect so, Your
Okay,
Honor.
very good. Counsel?
Defense is satisfied.
Well, let me ask you this and let me advise you of this, sir. I do have to advise you that if you commit misconduct between the time that I accept your plea and the time of your sentencing, you would not be allowed to withdraw your plea. And also any sentence evaluation or agreement, the court would no longer be bound by you.
I understand that, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
I am not, Judge. Ms. Douglas.
Not aware of any other responses.
Okay. And have I complied with the court rule and would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Defense is satisfied.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14B probation. Sentencing in this case will be
September 11th at 10 a.m.
September 11, 2025, 10 a.m. That is before Judge Washington. Bonds will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Your Honor, I've been doing urine samples through the VA hospital because I knew that was kind of part of the protocol. Do I turn that in to you or give?
No, you turn it into, I turn it into 14B probation.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court does call the cases of the people versus Demarian Markowski Smith.
However, on behalf of the counsel who has been here all morning, but I don't see him in the courtroom now. We may briefly pass the matter. I'll go find him. Judge.
Court calls the case of the people versus Elizabeth Hill.
If you ever to me, that's for people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Edward Lucas on behalf of Elizabeth Hill.
Hello. What's your
Morning.
name?
Elizabeth Hill.
All right.
Your Honor, today's time and date for our PCC. I'm asking for an adjournment today. I have a motion up in circuit court on September, what date is that? September 2nd, and that could assist with resolving this case. So I'd be asking for an adjournment possibly
After that date.
after that date.
Probable cause conference, September 11, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Court calls case of the people versus Kenaya Johnson.
Good afternoon, everyone. Wendy Barnwell, P42505, on behalf of Miss Kenaya Johnson.
Ms. Johnson, can you state your name, please?
Kenaya Johnson.
Thank you. What are we doing?
Your Honor, I'm asking for another PCC in this matter. I was just assigned this case yesterday. I've spoken to the prosecutor who was in court this morning. I saw him this morning and we talked about this. We're trying to see if we can resolve this prior to any movement, Judge.
right.
So we're asking for another PCC.
This will be adjourned without objection September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. All right, bond continued.
Judge.
Thank you.
And my clients also Zoom then, Judge. It's
You
the
can
same
fill out the
she's under
form,
the
Ms.
same
Bardwell. You can fill out the form and send it in and we'll consider it.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Have a good day,
Court calls
everybody.
the case, People versus Michael Laster.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Good to see you as always. Robert Ellman with and on behalf of Mr. Laster.
State your name, sir.
Michael Laster.
Thank you.
Your Honor, you should have a green sheet in front of you there. I was just appointed on this matter, so I'd be asking for an adjournment for time to obtain and review discovery.
Probable cause conference, August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Laster.
Have a good
Court calls the case of the People versus Emily Bates.
For the judge, Andrew Childers appearing on behalf of the people. Portia Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Miss Emily Bates, who appears to be on Zoom again, Your Honor.
Yes, she's on Zoom. And can you unmute and state your name?
Hello, Your Honor. How are you today? My name is Emily Bates. Hello.
I'm doing just fine. Thank you.
Good to see
Thank
you
you, Judge.
again. Thank you.
My understanding is that Miss Bates is in a treatment facility. We were awaiting her to send us some information, proof of her treatment to provide to the prosecutor. We have not yet received that information. I would ask for another couple-week adjournment and ask that Miss Bates please send that over to her office as soon as possible.
Okay, you got that, Miss Bates?
I do. And just for the record, I am in a shelter right now with very good treatment and treatment options. And I have a lot to convey to the courts about this. I was wondering if it would be possible that I could kind of tell my story to
not today, ma'am.
Okay.
You can call our office.
My question is, does it have to be in writing if I send something, or would you prefer a typed a countenance?
I'd prefer that what you do is communicate with your attorney and they'll instruct you as to what you should do with reference to communicating with the court. Okay?
So I'll call Mr.
Yes. Feaster.
Attorney. Thank you, Feaster. Sorry, sir. Thank you. It's nice to see you as well. Thank you for your help and for representing me.
Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.
August 28th.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Court calls the case People versus Donald Foreman.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Roy Gagne, Assistant Public Defender, with and on behalf of Ms. Foreman. All right, Mr. Foreman, can you state your name for the court?
Foreman. Thank you.
Your Honor, I submitted a green sheet. Hopefully, we're requesting a brief adjournment in this matter.
For discovery.
Yes, Your Honor.
August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, sir. Court calls case of the People versus Darius Grady.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Amy Rise on behalf of Diesel.
Portia Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Grady. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Darius Grady.
Thank you, Judge. I spoke to my client and to Ms. Riser on email. My understanding is there is an offer on this file, but it's different from the offer in our notes. So I need to talk to
Try to
Mr. Grady.
rectify
Yes,
what exactly it is. Probable cause conference will be adjourned August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Bond continued. Thank you.
Stay in touch.
Court calls case People versus Suzette Hampton.
Anna Mackey on behalf of Mrs. Hampton, who is approaching.
Suzette Hampton.
Your name?
Suzette Hampton.
Thank you. And you need an adjournment because you got to check through GIS, which they tried to take away from everybody.
Yes, Your Honor. Normally, I would have had that information to confirm.
Otherwise, you would have been able to proceed today in the expeditious fashion that the public defender normally does.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Forces out there that tried to hamper that, both you and the prosecutor's office. It's a darn shame. I'm not standing for that injustice, so I'll adjourn this.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continues.
May I just bond real quick, Your Honor?
Bond?
Condition. Ms. Hampton,
She's free.
but not to leave the state.
But she wants to leave the state?
For
She doesn't like Michigan?
well, she's chaperoning a youth trip for her church on this week on August 9th in Ohio. Right here. You wanted proof?
Am I really going to stop Ms. Hampton from taking a bunch of youth on a
Zion Temple
trip
Church.
to Ohio?
I would hope not.
Okay, so what dates is she?
It's going to be this weekend, Your Honor, August 9.
Just for one day, or is it just one? Okay. I will indicate defendant may travel to Ohio on the 9th of August. Not a problem. All right. Bond will continue in all other aspects.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. Points to the brochure, like I can see that. Court calls the case, People versus Robert Harris.
If you were to make that for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Alexis Durfman on behalf of Mr. Harris, who's approaching. Mr. Harris, can you state your name for the record?
Robert Harris. All right, thank you.
Your Honor, you should have a green sheet. We're requesting an adjournment.
Probable cause conference, August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Court calls the case of the People versus Hiram Haywood.
Assistant Public Defender Duffy Lieb on behalf of Mr. Haywood, who is approaching. Your Honor, Mr. Haywood will be executing an examination waiver.
Waiving?
Yes, Your Honor, with an understanding that he will be in the drug treatment court program.
All right. You need to take your hands out of your pockets, sir.
Could you just sign it? Just to confirm that you're waiving your right to an exam and you're going to.
Mr. Haywood, you're waiving your right to preliminary examination? Yes, sir. You understand that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed. Yes. You understand you will not have that hearing. You'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution. Yes. You understand? Okay. People also waive their right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defense bound over to circuit court on a single count.
Your Honor, we acknowledge receipt of the information. We acknowledge receipt of the information. We will waive formal reading and stand mute at this time.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
September 25th at 1:30 with Judge Slay.
September 25th, 2025, 1:30, Judge Slay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond will continue. Thank you. Court calls the case of the People versus Dalton Howard.
And on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Mr. Howard, who is approaching, Your Honor. Mr. Howard, when you're present, please state your name for.
Colin Howard.
Your Honor, I did check. I did not receive the discovery that I requested the last time we were here. So I'm just looking for a bit of discovery in this matter. It was emailed the last time we were up for court. And I'm sorry, because I left my computer. But I will re-forward the email to the attorney and to, what is it, AD Discovery, whatever it is.
I did put in a request on the 18th. I'm not sure.
What happened? All right. Adjourned to September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case of the People versus Serrano Johnson.
Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Vergils with and on behalf of Cyrano Johnson. Mr. Johnson, please state your name.
Cyrano Johnson. How are you, sir? I'm good, sir. Better, I hope. Indeed.
Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment in this case, potential referral to sobriety court.
Got it. All right. So you don't have the referral up here at this point, but you're.
No, I just need to discuss a
working on
bit
that
more.
process.
Yes, thank
Okay.
you.
All right, very good. So probable cause conference, I'll adjourn it to September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Take care, sir. Court calls case People versus Stephen Johnston.
Yeah, Assistant Public Defender with and on behalf of Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson, can you state your name for the court?
Yes, I see Stephen Johnson.
Stephen Michael Johnson.
Okay, you need to turn on your camera. All right, what are we doing?
I'm looking to figure out how to do that.
Okay, Your Honor, I submitted a green sheet. I would be requesting an adjournment.
Can you verify as best you can that that's Mr.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there he is.
There
We
he
got him now. Okay. So he's headed to Bear River now, or?
That was my understanding, is he's headed to Bear River.
Is that correct, Mr. Johnson? I can't hear you. You're muted.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you're headed up there. Okay. I will adjourn then probable cause conference to September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond continued. Thank you. Court calls the case of the people
Your Honor.
versus Alexander Cronin.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Amy Reiser, appearing on behalf of the people.
And Lori Yagi, Assistant Public Defender with and on behalf of Mr. Cronin. Mr. Cronin, could you state your name for the court?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Good to see you again. My name is Alexander Cronin. How are you?
Good. I'm doing well. He's waiving exam.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, you're waiving your right to preliminary examination?
That is right, Your Honor.
All right. You understand that that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offenses alleged were committed and that you committed them.
I do understand that, and I do wish to waive it.
All right. You understand you'll not have that hearing. You'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes, I do understand.
People also waive their right.
We do, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendants bound over to circuit court on counts 1 and 2 with 3 following. Ms. Young.
Your Honor, we acknowledge receipt and waive formal reading and stand mute.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute to all 3 counts. Court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
September 30th at 1:30 with Judge Cunky.
September 30th, 2025, 1:30, Judge Cunky. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You do the same. Court calls case People versus Sandra Law.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Raymond Cook with People.
Stephanie Can on behalf of Ms. Law, Your Honor. But Ms. Law, but not with Ms. Law, Your Honor.
She's actually on.
Oh, is she on Zoom? Great.
Yes, she's on Zoom. Ms. Law, can you state your name,
Yes.
please?
Sandra Law.
Do we need video, Your Honor?
Yeah, go ahead.
Ms. Law, the court needs video. You have to show yourself.
Can you see me now?
Yes, we can see you.
Okay.
Okay. You're requesting an adjournment?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. There is an issue with her community correction. She's testing elsewhere, so I'd investigate that before we get a violation out of that.
And Your Honor,
Error.
yes, I'm going to prepare a stipulated order to get over to the prosecutor to allow her to test where she's testing at. I've asked that she just text me with that information. Once I get that information, I'm just going to prepare a stipulated order to allow her to test where she's at. So she is.
Proper cause conference will be adjourned September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. or adjourned by.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Law. Court calls case People versus Juan Lamaster.
JP originally got for the people.
Matthew Mansour, Assistant Public Defender. On behalf of Mr. Lamaster, who is approaching, state your name for the judge whenever you're ready.
My name is Karan Lamaster.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. There should be a green sheet. We're requesting an adjournment. We've received an offer. We just need a short time to consider.
Cause conference will be adjourned August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Or as your invite indicates, bond continue. Just keep in contact with your attorney. They'll tell you what block you're in, so you're not here all day.
Gotcha.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Court calls the case of the People versus Jeremy McGee.
Alexander, on behalf of the people, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender, I'd like to serve on behalf of Mr. McGee. Mr. McGee, can you please state your name for the record?
Jeremy McGee.
Your Honor,
Yes,
you
go
should
ahead.
have a green sheet. We are requesting an adjournment. I believe that the videos have made their way over. We just need some time to review those.
September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates, bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case of People versus Anthony Mangiarcina.
JP originally got for the people.
I think I left a syllable out.
Assistant Public Defender Davy Leba on behalf of Mr. Mangarasiana.
You said that perfectly, but you don't have a client.
He's coming, Your Honor. And I don't know that I said it perfectly.
Oh, there he is. Okay.
I'm innocent.
Yes.
False
Okay,
accusation.
Mr. That is his position, and we are setting it for preliminary examination, Your
You
Honor.
want it set for preliminary exam?
Yeah.
I'm not a thief.
Mr. Mangarasiana,
Sir?
please step talking.
Sir, no. You'll have your time to challenge the charges made against you. Now is not the time to do it, and not in the manner in which you are doing. Am I understood? No? I'll tell you what. I think I can make it so that you understand me. This is not a game.
Mr. Mangarasiana, please tell the judge that you understand him.
I understand you.
Counsel, your discovery is complete.
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
People have their witnesses available on the 19th.
We will try our best, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person will be set on August 19th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Moore. Bond at this time will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case People versus Jeremy Massa.
That's for the people.
And Maggie, on behalf of Mr. Mazza, who's appearing on Zoom.
He needs to step behind the bar.
Mr. Mazza, can you please state your name?
Hello, I'm here. Jeremy Meza.
Thank you. You're requesting an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Mason.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case of the People versus Patrick McGee.
Assistant Public Defender, I'd like to serve on behalf of Mr. McGee. Please state your name for the record.
Patrick McGee.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are requesting an adjournment. We are waiting on some videos. It's my understanding that they've been requested from AAPD. They just haven't received
They
them yet.
haven't gotten over. Probable cause conference, I'll adjourn September 4th. You need to hands out, take your hands out of your pockets. September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. or your invited bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case People versus Jordan Miller.
Jennifer Douglas for the people.
And I can be behalf of Mr. Miller. Approaching, Your Honor. For the record.
Jordan Miller. You need an adjournment for.
We're awaiting some video discovery that was received by the prosecutor's office last night.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. or is your invited case bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case of the People versus Lanish Mitchell.
Douglas for the people.
Hannah Mackey on behalf of Mrs. Mitchell, who is approaching to my right.
Lanish Mitchell.
Your Honor, the people would move to dismiss this case. I did submit the motion for all the prosecution.
We have no objections to that.
You have no objections?
Absolutely none.
What about you? No? Didn't think you would. Ma'am, this case is dismissed. That's by Nellie Pross. All right. Take care.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's call the case of the People versus Megan Moses.
For the judge, Torshell Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Moses, who I believe is on Zoom, Your Honor.
Thank you for calling Language Line Solutions. This is
That's not Ms.
Marion Williams.
That's me. That's me. Hello?
Okay, Ms. Moses, I need a camera. Oh, there you are.
Yes,
State your name. All right, I see Miss Moses. All right, what are we doing?
Thank you, Judge. I do have a green sheet, Your Honor. We had previously adjourned this case so could make payments to try to get this matter resolved in her benefit. She has been unable to make those payments. I'm requesting an adjournment so I can discuss with the prosecutor other potential resolutions.
She's receiving benefits of some type or trying to?
I think so, Your Honor. But I don't know that she's received them and she hasn't made any payments. And so if she's unable to make those payments, then the offer that was discussed, I'm sure won't happen. So I need to re-engage the prosecutor to see where we go from here.
August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. bond continues.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Yes.
This is your Spanish interpreter on the line.
Yes, ma'am. Hold on one moment. I'm just trying to clear some other cases. We'll get to that case in just a moment.
Okay, perfect.
Court calls the case People versus Bryant Murphy.
Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Ridgefield with and on behalf of Bryant Murphy. State your name.
Bryant Murphy. Thank you. All right, you're requesting an adjournment?
Yes, to continue our plea discussion, and we have yet to receive media discovery.
September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. as your invite indicates, bond will continue. All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, no, I'll do the Spanish. Oh, you're coming down, right? Let me just try this then. Court recalls the case of the People versus Demarion Markowski Smith.
People.
Riddell.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. On behalf of. You say your name for the record?
Demarion Markowski Smith.
Well, that was weird. It just stopped. Are they done? There's a lot of people on Zoom. Is anybody still in here? Lucky I caught that. Yeah, legal fiction. I don't think so because, you know, there's a lot of people on Zoom. Well, I could do a couple things here. Got options. Wow. Let's see. Yeah, that was a 4 hour and 20-minute stream. I definitely didn't see Colin come back. Oh man, I was gonna say I could drop some body cam, but then I realized they're saved on the wrong computer. Well, but then again, I could just steal somebody's body cam without downloading it. Let's see who else is in. I don't feel like going to another court. The whole point of this was to find Colin and find Magoo. Let me refresh this a couple times, see if it comes back up. I'll give it a couple minutes. Police Insider. Why not? Police Insider. Do I have that one? I don't. Police Insider. Police Insider. Police Pursuits. Police Body Cam. Police Activity. Yeah, Body Cam Police. Police Release. How many channels do I have that are named Police something? Alright, Police Insider. Man, I have some good ones saved on the other computer. Road Rage Karen. Ooh. Okay, hang on.
Miss Booger
Breath. Why not? Let's do one. I was gonna jump in the shower, but then I noticed my stream stopped, and I was like, oh crap, this is not good. Alright, somebody watch Simpson's Court. And then I'm gonna throw on some body cam just for our intermission. Okay, where's me? Booger Breath. Transition. Yeah, I'm surprised. I mean, I don't know if I have 100 body cam channels. But I've got a lot. And then I've got a whole bunch of other random ones because when I started this channel, I was going to go in a little bit of a different direction. Alright, let's see what's going on with Booger Breath. It'll give me the chance to do some pausing and some reacting. It'll probably be good to watch one that I haven't seen at all. Okay, let's hit play. Let's see what happens. Oh man, if I would have... there's a better way to do it. I gotta switch computers. I'm operating on one screen. I usually use 3.
Breath was swerving over lanes, crashed into an 18-year-old driver, and then refused to comply.
So my car's messed up. This girl, I don't know what she thought she was. I was literally already on the phone. I told my sister to call you guys. Okay. Can I call? Anyways, I told my sister to call you guys, right? Already when she was already almost causing me a crash.
Can you stay in the car? Go get in the car.
She was banging on my window, freaking opening my door, trying to. She was scaring me. Like I was literally scared for my life. No, I'm not. There was with me. No, I'm going to tell you right now. Listen.
Come over here and talk.
I'm going to tell you right now. Okay, I'm not trying to be disrespectful.
Come over here and talk. Come over here and talk. What's going on, guys?
She brake checked me, trying to make it look like it's my fault when this girl literally almost caused me a car crash all the way on the intersection. I'm driving behind her. Literally, she kept going in front of me. I'm like trying to get away from her. She brake checked me. I'm already over here trying to get over to the side.
So I know I already called dispatch. I know you guys are already on the phone with 911 trying to report her, and they heard the accident over there.
So I was going home.
Stand here and wait.
No, because she keeps coming to my car. Like, I don't know.
Stay here.
Listen, don't do cop shit with me.
You stay here and talk to him. Are you the driver? Yeah. Can you give me your license, registration, and insurance? You got your ID too?
Oh, yeah, I do.
Hey, stand by with her. Stand by with her.
So she's not going to talk to anyone, so listening.
Can I have your license? Ma'am, I need your light. Can you step out of the vehicle? Hey, she's not providing information, not stepping out of the vehicle, Sarge.
You were in like the middle, like in the left lane. Haley went in the right lane, honked at her. And then she sped up, got in front of us, tried to cut us off. And then she kept trying to brake check us, swerve through the lanes in the middle, not let us pass. And I have a picture and a live photo of it, of her swerving. We were trying to get a picture of her license plate for you guys. Then we tried calling, and then she brake checked us and we sideswiped her because we were trying to swerve into the median. We don't. She thought I was gonna. I'm like, bro. She was laughing about it because she thought I was gonna be the. I'm like, dude, we're already like we had like the phone, like the call was recorded. Like they can hear the car. Like we can hear it hit.
While this officer was patiently listening to the young girls, the obviously impaired Karen was having an intense crash out.
I know you guys are hot in those pants.
My bald head's getting a little toasty right now.
I'm like sweating and.
I don't have any hair to cover this, Melon. All right, hang tight, okay?
The officer with the bald head, what's his name?
Roger Lambert.
Rod, he's over here. So can you please come over here, please? Thank you. No.
You're involved in a crash. You're involved in a crash.
No, I don't.
You can't just shut the door, okay?
No,
you can talk to whoever you want.
I don't want you to open my door. No, I said no.
You can't shut the door.
No, I said no. I said no.
We need your license.
I said no. I work in the jail. I know my rights. I said no. Back up.
You put your hands on me and you're going to go
Okay, back up. Back up.
Go to jail. You put your hands on me.
Back up and get off my property. Back up.
You're going to go to jail if you put your hands on me.
Back up and get off my property.
Ma'am.
Back up and get off my property. Back up and get off. I work in the jail. Back up. Back up and get off my property. No, you're not doing. You're wasting my AC and my gas. Back up and get back. I know him. Get back. Get back. Otherwise, I would have opened the window. I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid. Hello?
That's it. You can't
No, I'm not.
You can't be hitting the. You can't be hitting the camera.
I didn't hit anything.
Yeah, you did.
No, I
warned you not to do that.
I didn't hit
Get out of the car. Stop. Get out of the car. Stop. Get out of the car. 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 You need to step out. You need to step out. You're going to go on the ground. Get the
Ludwig.
You need to step out. You're going to go on the ground. Step out.
What is she? Is she yelling Baldwin? Oh man, she's a peach.
You're gonna go to the ground. Step out or you're gonna go to the ground. Step out or you're gonna go to the ground.
You're hurting me.
Hey, make sure step out and step out of the vehicle.
Ludwig.
Step out. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Step out. Step out. Get out. Step out. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Step out.
Stop.
All right, you're gonna get tased. Step out. Step out. You can step out now. All right, there you go. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hand.
I don't know what just happened there, but hopefully you guys are still there.
Roll over on your side. Roll over on your side. There you go. Sit up. Now stand up. Stand up. All right. Secure in the carpet now. Walk back there.
Ludwig.
Walk back there.
This wasn't just another fender bender, as the female had prior DUI history. And she posed an active threat to the safety of others.
Stop.
Get in. Sit down. Sit down. You're going to get tased again. You're going to get tased. Again. Get in the car.
Hold on.
I got her.
Hold on. Ludwig.
Sit down in the car. We'll talk, but sit down.
Ludwig.
You need to sit down in the car. You're going to get tased. Sit down in the car and we'll talk.
Ludwig.
Put your feet in.
No.
Put your feet in. Put your feet in. Put your feet in. I'm trying to talk to you.
But you know me.
I need you to put your feet in.
Ludwig.
Put your feet in the car.
I know you.
That's what I'm going to do. Put your feet in the car and we'll talk through the window.
You know me and I know you. I didn't do anything wrong. These girls came up on me and they were racing me and they
We'll work
smashed
through it,
into
but I
me.
need you to put your feet in the car. We'll work through it, but put your feet in the car.
Okay.
We'll work through it, but put your feet in the car. All right?
No, because, come here.
Put that window down.
Can I tell you something?
No, you need to put your feet in the car.
I have my period and I don't have a tampon.
I don't care. Put your feet in the car. We're not worried. All right, we're not worried about that right now.
Because when I got tased.
All right, you're going to get tased again if you don't put your feet in the car.
No.
Is this video struggling for you guys? Because I'm getting all kinds of errors on my side. It's probably because I normally don't stream these from the browser. So I'm going to just let it buffer here for 2 more seconds. Oh, Ludwig. Okay, Ludwig. Let me check my phone. Yeah, I don't know. My screen just decided to almost restart and then I saved it. I think we're good. Okay, I'm hitting play.
Put your feet in.
Come on.
I'm not doing this. All right, put your feet in.
Bro.
Put your feet in, we'll talk. Watch your feet.
Ludwig. You know I gotta go home to my kids. No, Ludwig, no. Ludwig, please don't do it.
Relax, we're gonna talk.
Please don't.
All right?
Don't do it, Ty. No, I can't do it.
The female continued begging to be let out off the handcuffs while abusing the officers and kicking the patrol car.
Officer Ludwig! Sergeant! Sarge! Stop! Don't put the window up on me! That's not even funny, bro! I work at the jail, bro! That's not funny! That's funny, you're on camera. That's
I'm not laughing, but you're screaming and yelling.
Smile on your face, and I know him personally.
Okay.
So that's gonna look bad on you. You got a smile like Jasper on your face.
I'm not smiling.
Well, then you got a serious, ugly face.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Ludwig,
What?
I didn't do anything, Ludwig.
Okay, well, you didn't comply. We told you numerous times to get out of the car, and then you kept holding on to the steering wheel. You wouldn't step out, and we told you you were going to get tased.
And then you tased me.
Okay, well, that's your fault.
Ludwig.
You have to comply.
I work at the jail, Ludwig.
I can't help that.
So what the are we doing? I have to go home to my kids, and you know that.
I can't help that. You made it difficult on yourself.
I didn't do anything. The girl rammed into me.
All right, well, you'll have your day in court.
Ludwig.
You'll have your day in court.
Ludwig.
Do you need anything from these guys?
Ludwig.
Do you need anything from them?
Ludwig.
Do you need anything from them?
No, I'm talking to you.
Do you need anything from them?
I'm talking to you.
All right, you guys are good to go.
Ludwig, why are you...
She was then taken to the hospital where she was medically cleared and ready to be taken to jail.
Please sit. Go sit. Tara, you need to go sit down. All right, Tara, I'm asking you politely to get in my patrol car. Only gonna make it worse. Come on. Tara, I'm not telling you.
I don't want him. I feel
order to get
I feel threatened by him. I don't want him. I don't want him at all.
All right, step in.
I'll be with him. Ludwig.
He's going up there. He's going up there. I need you to step in.
Look at me.
Go sit down.
I will.
Okay. Go sit down.
I don't.
And now the chat finally starts to work again.
Different car.
Sarah, you gotta get some more charges. You want that? Is that what you want, really?
I don't feel comfortable.
Do you want that? Nothing's gonna happen. The camera's running the whole time.
He's sitting
and this guy's going
smiling.
and this guy's going behind you.
He's smiling the whole
time like it's funny.
This camera's running the whole time. This guy's gonna
funny.
be, this
This
guy
is
is
not
gonna be
funny.
behind you the whole time.
This is not funny. He's laughing.
He's not.
Nobody's laughing. Let me see if I
No, I don't want to.
I'll see.
No, I don't want it. I don't. I feel claustrophobic.
So when he gets in a car crash and you die and your kids don't have anyone,
Yeah.
is that what you want?
Yeah, I don't want it. Thank you. Please, I'm already constricted. Please, no. No, I want to refuse.
Seatbelt in your car?
I don't want it.
You wear a seatbelt in your car?
I don't want it tight.
It's not tight.
It's not tight. It's like any other seatbelt.
There you go. You're good to go.
At the jail, the female refused to provide her urine sample for BAC test and was charged with an additional felony.
Can you switch over to talk? So I'm now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your urine for the purpose of determining. I am now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your urine for the purpose of determining the presence of chemical or controlled substances. Will you take the test? No? All right.
For what? I don't
Into
understand.
evidence.
Yeah, I need you to map 7 chapters. I don't understand. So you want me to take a urine test, and if I don't take a urine test, I can have a misdemeanor or a felony?
Yes, ma'am. That is exactly
For
what.
what? For what?
Okay. So
So
we believe that you have taken something or that something may be in your system. We are requesting that you take a urine test so that we can determine if something is in your system.
No, I told you I
refuse to take it.
I'm not taking anything.
Okay, that's all I need.
The 38-year-old female was charged with resisting officer without violence, resisting officer with violence, 3 counts of battery on law enforcement officer, reckless driving with property damage, DUI with property damage, and refusal to submit to lawful test. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now. Ms.
Oh yeah, we love it. That was a good one. Thank you for that. I'm sure you probably just noticed everything that pretty much everything just crashed and then it kind of fixed itself. And then my chat finally worked and then it stopped working again. All right. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. Man. Let's just hide this. All right, let's see if we is Simpson back on? Let's find out. I think he is. I think he's back. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Let me fix this. Yeah, Darth J. So did Mr. Grammar School over here. But I appreciate you joining me. Of course, Mike probably didn't do the entire docket like I've been doing all day, and now we're back into intermission mode. Well, at least he started again. Let's see if we miss anything. I just need like a snapshot. Okay, let me just go to the beginning. Okay. Well, I'll make it so you can at least see what I can see. Okay, window to the wall. All right. You can see what I... Nope, not that one. Well, I gotta fix that. Hang on. There we go. Okay, so right now nothing's happening. It looks like people started logging in, but they did turn the stream back on. So, what does that mean for me? What does that mean for you? Oh God, I lost my mouse. There it is. Okay, we got Garage Guy. Man, that guy looks familiar. We've got recessed lights in the ceiling. Private. Well, not much here. Oh! Some action. Okay, here's what I think I'm going to do now. I think I'm going to finally do those things I was going to do earlier and just let this play out. Guys, pop in and out whenever you want to. I am probably going to get some food, but I want to keep this stream going in case Colin comes back. The second half of the day in Simpson's court has been interesting just about every day lately. Yeah. Yeah, imagine if you take Judge Simpson's everything and you mix it with Middleton's like preamble. It would be perfect. I'll never be able to compete with Law Talk with Mike, but maybe one day I can get his attention and say, hey, shout out to Grammar School for naming his channel after my constant references to Grammar Camp. He used to say Grammar School, now he says Grammar Camp. Okay, so Colin said that he was, I don't know if he said he left or he was waking up at 3 a.m. this morning to go to this court. If he woke up at 3 to drive all the way to do this, I'd imagine he would probably... I was just messing with you, Darth J. I imagine he'd probably stay for the whole thing. It's kind of like... I was about to give a bad analogy. I was gonna say it's kind of like going to Disneyland, riding the teacups, and going back home. Yeah, I like Lone Wolf, but I'd definitely lie if I didn't care about monetizing. I've got a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old that's gonna be 3 in a week or so. I'm broke all the time, but I do like doing this. I just need to find kind of a niche, because I don't really want to repeat what Biggin does or do the same thing Biggin does, and I don't really want to do the same thing Artie does. Although I like all the add-ons that Artie does on his channel. And I don't have enough mods and followers to cover court like Mike and Colin does. I pretty much have to get lucky, so I'll pick like somebody's court. Usually it's either going to be Simpson's court, I'll go to Kansas, or maybe every once in a while I'll float down to Florida. But court is hard to follow. Just because it's so long and you got to catch it at the right time. And, you can log in and log out for 5 minutes, and that 5 minutes that you missed is probably the best 5 minutes. Body cam's a lot easier because you can just kind of go through them as you have time. Yeah, here. Let me tweak some mods because I don't think nap time's in here anymore. Oh, maybe he is. So far, Laura. I'm relatable. I'm personable. Although I'm so very tempted to do a one-day political day, and I think that might change some people's minds. I guess it just kind of depends on which side of the table you're on. All right. I'm giving you power. I'm tempted to give everybody mod power today, because I'm basically just letting the channel go. I feel like if I gave Legal Fiction a moderator, he wouldn't want it. Okay, let's see what this one. There's two kinds. I'm not sure what the difference is. So, Legal Fiction, if they put more court, if we could find more open court in Florida, that would be so much easier. But I agree with you. Putting the whole story together is definitely better. Now, luckily, we've got a handful of sovereign citizens coming up in August where I think we can get away with that. I definitely have a couple on the calendar related to power inherent to people that I know I have the body cam of, and I have at least one court appearance of. When I first started the channel, I had some good reactions of putting some of the content that's a little more emotional, a little more tragic. Not so much screaming Karens that are mad about getting arrested. But some of those I don't even want to play. Does anyone do body cam besides Big and Art? Well, so Linda, and that's part of the reason I stick with body cam. Maybe I'm sure there's more. There's a lot of AI channels that do. Hopefully I wasn't muted that whole time. There's a lot of AI channels that do body cam. They drive me nuts. Oh, you got some people popping on the screen. I know Colin liked the idea of kind of putting the Karen, Ken, Brad thing together. It's going to be hard to tie the same individuals to the court cases. Shane let his wife tase him. Maybe have your wife kick the crap out of you. You know what, Otto? Next time I go to the gym with my wife, we'll get somebody to film it. It's been a while since we've sparred though. Yeah, I think I made everybody a manager, didn't I? Or maybe not. I don't know. How much do you call it? That makes me look easy. Sorry, I'm just reading through these. I put a couple of lawn mowing videos up on some of my earlier streams. People seem to like those. Coincidentally, well, not so coincidentally, they had police involvement. I'd like to speak to the manager. The more I do body cams, I'm starting to just get tired of the same. I feel like half, if not more, are trespassing with a lot of screaming, and those are just kind of irritating to me now. But sometimes that's what's available. Oh dang! Excuse me. Is the name Jeremy Schultz? Isn't that familiar? I feel like we've seen that. Jeremy Schultz. I wonder if I could change the moderator type. Oh yeah, I can. Okay. I don't even know what the difference is. Go away. Yeah, no, I was thinking of Jeremy Shue, but I feel like Jeremy Schultz sounds. So police chases. I found a couple really good channels that post police chases. Those are fun. One of them is called like L.A. Excuse me. One of them's called like L.A. Police Chases Live, and they're never live, but those might be fun to do. I think what I'm probably going to do is the same idea I've had for a while, is just kind of throw a bunch of stuff in every category and just let everybody know what I have, and then let y'all kind of pick which direction we go. This stream was 100% unplanned, by the way. I was like, oh, I'm just going to stream Simpson today because Colin's going to be there. Scooter is a great police channel. Police chase channel. Okay, let's look at Scooter. I'm gonna look at it on a different screen real quick. Scooter. Yeah, I should have probably been more specific. Scooter police chase. There we go. I found one called Scooter Ninja. Scooter Gang. Moto Boy. Police Pursuits. Ooh. Okay. Why can't I find it? Here, I'm gonna do this. Oh, Scooper, sorry. Man, I found a good one under the name Scooter though. Okay, you know what? I might play this video I just found. Okay, let's find Scooper first. Oh, it totally says Scooper now that I'm rereading it. All right, Scooper. Scooper. Okay, I found it. Oh, they've got some ones with semis in there. Okay. Subscribe to Scooper. Yeah, I need a better police chase channel anyway. I've got the State Boys and County Boys and the Arkansas Police Department and yeah. Yeah, you know what? I've always had great vision, but then I've recently discovered that I think I finally need to go maybe look at getting some glasses. All right, let me see if I can pull up this video I was going to play.
This was
Okay. nzherald.co.nz. All right, let me make sure y'all can see it. Oh man, my chat stopped working again. Okay, let's hide this one. Let's add a new window. Where's the window? Lawnmower channels. Check out oh my god, this congestion's killing me today. check out SB Mowing. And then there's one called the Boring Channel. And basically these guys just mow really, they clean up lawns, right? Really, 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 really bad ones. And they do it for free. And I think they're just good. I saw the word earlier that made sense. I think it was nap time. He said ASMR. So they're really good like ASMR videos where you got a good before and an after, and they're a lot more entertaining than you think they should be. SB Mowing and the Boring Channel are the two that I watch. Okay. Alright, I think I might have found a funny one, but I'm not sure. The title's funny at least. Alright, let me move some things around. You seen this one? I haven't seen this one.
Hilarious! Go on, man, go! This is so funny! He's going for it! What is this old man up to? What the hell? Oh my god, he's gonna... Yeah! This is so funny. My God. He's still going for it. Okay, we're gonna go follow. This is hilarious.
Yeah, go. Come on. What the hell? What's the old man doing?
I don't know, but now everyone's in the way. Oh my god, this is so funny!
Move, you idiot!
I know, right? Oh, this is hilarious! He's gone!
No, you can just go down.
Yeah, he's not stopping for this car. This is so funny!
What the hell? Stop!
He's gonna get in so much trouble.
No entry. What is he doing?
He's gonna get out and chase him.
Well, I got this page open. Let's see where this one takes me. Okay, so that last one was New Zealand. Here, let's check out court real quick. Hang on. What's going on with... Window capture. Nope. Looks like Simpson's court is still on a break. Okay. Yeah, some old dude on a motor scooter. That was hilarious. That was out in New Zealand too. Oh, some more people are logging into Simpson's court. Okay, let's see. Whoa, I think I got another mobility scooter on the highway. Hang on.
I had a lot of good.
Let's see what this one does. Oh, it's cruising on the on-ramp.
Yeah, the rest you've got to download the first half of the podcast. That's what you get. You want to hear the complete goodness, complete podcast goodness. It's goodness. No word in that. I don't. You know, if you want to hear the whole thing, you're a journalist. Is it? It's podcast goodness. If you want to hear the whole thing, you want to try to wait. Yeah.
Move over, mate. Move over. You're on the freeway. Move over. You're not supposed to be on the freeway.
You have dialed emergency 000. Your call is being connected. Emergency, police, fire or ambulance.
Police.
Connecting police. What state and town is the emergency?
Victoria, Mulgrave.
Mulgrave, Victoria, connecting police.
Major service?
71
Yeah.
Thanks, that's right. Hello, where do you need police?
Mulgrave Freeway or Southeastern Freeway, Ferntree Gully exit. We've got an old bloke in a mobility scooter.
Just give me, okay, just 1 sec. I'll just bring that up on the map. So, Monash Freeway, Ferntree Gully.
Okay, we're just going over Ferntree Gully Road now. I've tried to pull him over.
Ferntree Gully Road, Waverley.
Yeah.
Glen Waverley, Victoria.
Yeah.
Which way is he heading?
South, outbound. I just told him to try and pull over and he told me.
Okay. And he's on a mobility scooter?
Yeah, I'm just going behind him with my hazards on, but the traffic's obviously pretty dangerous at the moment.
Yeah.
So.
And he's just past Ferntree Gully Road?
Yeah.
Okay, just down the line, I'll just get some more details.
Okay, he's going into the service lane at the moment.
And now in the service lane? Okay. So you're following with hazard lights on?
I am in the service lane.
Okay. And you tried to
pull him over. He told me off, so.
Yeah. Did he swear at you?
Yeah, he told me off, so for swearing, I think.
Yeah. I'm just trying to think of the words to put it politely so that it's best understandable.
So next off ramp's going to be Wellington Road.
So heading towards Wellington Road. Yeah. Okay. Does he
He's going back on the road again.
I love how dispatch is just laughing along with this. Yeah, and then the dude told him to F off when he drove by him, saying he was driving on the highway. But yeah, at least this guy's being nice and kind of escorting him, because you know the guy driving the scooter knows exactly what he's doing.
Which lane is he in?
Left lane.
Down the left lane.
Go
yeah.
left.
Yeah. Okay. How old do you think he is?
80 plus.
80s. Yeah. What's he wearing?
Brown jacket.
Yeah. And what colour is it? Mobility scooter?
Brown and black.
Brown and
There's only one.
black.
They won't miss
yeah.
it.
Yeah, that's right. All right. He's not injured at all?
No, he's just driving along quite happily.
Yeah, not alcohol or drug affected?
I don't know. I'm in my car.
What's your first name?
Bruce.
You cut it.
Okay. All right, so don't put yourself in any danger. Okay.
Well, what do I do? See, if I go off around him, he's going to get collected.
Oh, okay. Well, continue to do what you're doing if it's safe to do it.
Yeah, well,
but I don't want you to be involved in a collision.
Well, most of the traffic I've got my hazards on. Most of the traffic's slowing. I don't know whether they're seeing them or not.
Yeah. Are you going to wait for police, or are you going to move on?
So I'll wait till police if they can get off. Get in.
Okay, this might sound like a stupid question, but I've never driven in a country that drives on the left side. I'm assuming the right lane is the fast/passing lane. I mean, it would make sense, but I hate to assume, you know?
Yeah. I've got to keep yourself safe, okay? Don't put yourself in any danger, because
You just throw something?
Get hit as well.
I don't want
What
him
sort
to
of
get hit
vehicle
either.
Yeah, no, absolutely. What sort of vehicle are you in?
Audi RS3, dark bronze.
Is that an SUV, is it?
No, RS3, it's a sport coupe.
Oh, okay. Yeah, alright. Alrighty, so Monash Freeway, Frederick Gully Road, Glen Waverley, heading towards Wellington Road?
Yeah.
Yeah, police will come and see you there, okay?
Yeah, so
Thanks,
if the boys come off at Springvale, we're almost at the Springvale on-ramp, probably about 150 metres from the Springvale on-ramp.
Oh, okay, from Springvale Road. Yeah, no worries. Police have been advised. Thanks for your call.
Thanks, mate.
Thanks, mate.
So now what? Oh, there's the cops. He almost flew by him. Oh, is he pulling over? That's a good one. Oh, man. Okay. Let's see if JS is back online. I'm not gonna lie. That gave me plenty of ideas of what I think I want to do when I reach a certain age. If the highway's faster, the highway's faster. Why not? What are they gonna do? Take away a scooter license? Let me make sure I'm hitting play on Simpson's Court. I think it's on play. Oh no, I'm behind. Did it start? Oh god, now I can't see my mouse. Oh, you guys, you're supposed to tell me. Oh, now I can't find my mouse. Maybe Control P? No, wrong button. That's print. I knew that was going to be print. No, not print. Oh, God. Man, I'm screwing up everything here, too. Can I? What? There we go. Dude, I can't find my mouse. It's not showing. Okay, let's slowly go down. Up. Okay.
Your Honor, may we approach briefly?
You may.
All right, let's call him back. There's the mouse. Well, this girl looks scared. Torrance. I'll take it, legal fiction. I like calling streams. I like the personable streams. I mean, I think that's I like most people's streams. Although I think the main difference between Colin and I is I am unlikely to apologize for stuff. Yeah, everything, dude. This side of the screen is freaking hard. But I guarantee I make it harder than it should be. Okay, if this works, I'm just going to let it roll, and then I got to go do some stuff. And I think we're good. Are we good? Ooh. Man, now I want to go to the lake. Okay. Let me just scan it.
Madam Clerk,
Comfortable is good. I'm going for comfortable. Just hang out in the chat. Oh, I need to make everything bigger. I can't see Brandon. Whoop. Brandon. There he is. Waterfall Brandon. Shannon name, question mark. Torrance has got to pick her nose. Dude, what is Brandon doing? Oh, he's walking. Well, I thought we were good. I saw Simpson up there. Oh, is this just a approach type of scenario? Okay, where am I at right now? I'm at 0. I got to count it from the other way. Okay, -45. Okay, so that would put me at 50. 35. Yeah, whatever. Let's see what we missed real quick. Oh, wait, we're doing a Colin. Oh, yeah, let's just at least see if Colin's in there first. Just click around.
Thank you.
Your Honor. And good afternoon, Your Honor. Christina Costantino appearing on behalf of Mr. Young.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Deborah Schlossel on behalf of the defendant, Ms. Tierra Williams, who's to my right. State your name. Tierra Williams.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I was just retained for this matter. I have ordered discovery. I probably will get it tomorrow.
Yes, this is Marion Williams. How you going, Your Honor?
Federal Cause Conference, September 4th, 2025.
Right.
Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the cases of the People versus Samuel Peoples.
I don't know, guys. I think Colin might be gone for the day. I definitely don't see him. As much as I was criticizing his attire, it does make it easy to find him. So, all right, let's see if they cut up with the intermission. If not, we can watch Brandon bump around. Oh yeah, and what Sly said. Jeremy Schultz. Shannon Rumsey. Oh, Shannon got a last name. Torrance is still picking her nose. See, I could commentate on this. Private is still private. Attorney Tyrone Rucker is not there. And Jamie is sleeping. Nope, he's awake. No, he's sleeping. No, he's awake. He's sleeping. He's gonna fall asleep. He's gonna fall forward. He did? Wait, did I? Do I need to go back, don't I? He moved back. Well, yeah, that would make sense. Alright. Since they're on a break right now. Okay, maybe here.
Alright. You're requesting an adjournment on this?
Yes, Your Honor, you should have a green sheet. I was just newly appointed, so we need a little time to go through discovery and
not a.
So I feel like you're messing with me here, but I'm gonna look. Okay, I don't see him. I don't see him there.
Action. No. November. September 4th, 2025.
Yes, Judge, I will. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, I missed it. Hang on, that was kind of a full court shot. Actually, that was pretty good, full court shot. I don't see him there. Alright, I'm gonna believe you. I'm gonna believe you that Colin's back. But I also think you're messing with me.
Or an adjournment so that I can ensure I can obtain all discovery and have a conversation with my client.
All right.
Oh, you were messing with me. Oh, I should probably hit the play button. Okay, Jamie's back to sleep. Or maybe it's Jaime. Torrance is still picking her nose. Brandon is being Brandon. Yeah, Edie Weedie's a good name. I'm really just staying here just to see if Jamie falls forward. Even Brandon's bored. Oh God, he is so about to pass out. You see? Oh, he inched a little bit with his left shoulder. I don't know. I think Poindexter Weedy. Or maybe Edie Poindexter? Yeah, that'd probably be better. Man, Josh is kind of like, what's that dude's name from earlier? Meza? Jeremy Schultz is about to fall asleep. Jamie's struggling. Okay, are we starting? Turn on the sound.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you, Your Honor, for that opportunity. I just asked the court, as was originally planned, to go ahead and sign the orders for the competency examination at this point in time on both of these files.
All right. And the court, I think I signed both of them. I didn't sign this one. And then I will set a competency hearing for October 30th, 2025. 9 a.m. It should have been earlier, but that's okay. If we get it earlier, we can move the hearing date up. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court does call the case of the people versus Cherie Powell.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the people.
Student Attorney Kara Rosengren requesting permission to practice under Michigan Court 8.120 under the supervision of APD Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Ms. Powell.
Permission to practice is granted.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're just going to be requesting, oh, I'm sorry, say your name for the record. Cherie Powell. We're just going to be requesting an adjournment in this matter for continued investigation.
Public Cause Conference, September 4th, 2025. 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case people versus Danielle Presley.
Student Attorney Kara Rosengren on behalf of Ms. Pressey. Could you state your name for it, please? Danielle Pressey. Your Honor, we're just asking for an adjournment in this matter, so for continued negotiations.
Without objection, probable cause conference September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Malik Reynolds.
That's for the people.
Student Attorney Kara Rosengren on behalf of Mr. Reynolds. Mr. Reynolds, could you state your name for the court?
Hello, Your Honor. My name is Malik Monteiro.
Okay. You need to keep your hands out of your pockets.
Sorry about that. Okay.
Your Honor, we're also asking for an adjournment in this matter so that we have time to review the video discovery and for plea negotiations.
September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
So much, Your Honor.
Court calls case of the People versus Jody Ann Russell.
And I'm on behalf of Mrs. Russell, who is approaching to my right. Please state your name.
Jody Ann Russell.
Your Honor, requesting to adjourn this matter pending negotiations with the prosecutor.
September 11th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Jeremy Schultz.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Laura Yagi, Assistant Public Defender with and on behalf of Mr. Schultz. Mr. Schultz, will you state your name for the court?
Jeremy Schultz.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, I do have a green sheet. I'm requesting an adjournment in this matter for one aspect of missing discovery and then ongoing trying to come to resolution.
Gotcha. September 11th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Your Honor, Mr. Schultz, that's not when you have court in your other case, is it?
No, it's September 10th.
Yeah, I knew it was one of those things. Thank you, Your Honor.
I knew that. That's why I picked it.
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Yup. Have a good day.
You do the same. Calls case People versus Brandon Sims.
Information with death for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Virgil, and on behalf of Brandon Sims, who appears via Zoom.
Sims?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here. Brandon
State
Sims.
your name. Thank you. What are we doing?
We're asking for an adjournment. I'm sorry, I'm filling out the green sheet as we speak for both a plea discussion and discovery in this case.
September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continues.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Court calls the case People versus Joseph Smith.
Matthew Mansour, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Smith, who should be appearing by Zoom. Mr. Smith, can you please state your name for the judge?
Joseph Smith.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your Honor, discovery is complete. I have confirmed it with Ms. Douglas. We would like to set this for an exam.
People had their witnesses available the 19th.
We'll do our best.
Preliminary examination in person, August 19th, 2025. 90, yeah, is that 12 is mine?
Yes.
12 noon before me. Bond continued. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir. That's all in person's proceeding.
Thank you, Your
Honor. Thank you. Court calls case People versus Jack Sophia.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
And Matthew Mansour on behalf of Mr. Sophia. Your Honor, Mr. Feaster did not put me up to what I'm about to say. But Mr. Sophia called.
What'd you say?
But I'm about to say Mr. Feaster had nothing to do with this. All right. Mr. Sophia called.
Am I going to get mad?
I hope not. Let's see how this goes.
You're going to see how it goes?
No.
Let's see how this goes. He's in the hospital.
You like gambling. Go ahead.
Yeah, a little bit. He is in the hospital, according to him personally. He reached out to our office, and I believe he reached out to the court here. I unfortunately don't have documentation. Yeah. I don't have any documentation for you. But if you would, please consider an adjournment. I'll get that documentation for you if it's true. And we'll come back and we'll handle this PCC.
Do I do that? Yeah. No. Okay, probably not. Did he say how long he's expected to be in the hospital?
I don't know, Your Honor. He said he was in the burn unit. I don't know what happened. I know he's at U of M hospital. That's all the information I got.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond will be set to at $10,000 cash surety. I won't have that warrant issue until August 12th.
It's very fair, Your Honor. Thank you.
I know. Because that's how I am.
Absolutely.
Thank you for acknowledging that.
Thanks, Your Honor. That was my last one.
Really, why were you laughing? When I said,
I was reading something.
Court calls the case, People versus Miro South.
Assistant Public Defender Dobby Lee on behalf of Ms. South. Ms. South, could you state your name, ma'am?
Myra Lee Tang South.
And we're going to be requesting an adjournment in order to engage in some plea discussions.
September 11th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mayor. Court calls the case, People versus Joanne Thompson.
Definitely, Your Honor, the people.
Take care, Mr.
Assistant Public Defender, Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Joanne Thompson. Ms. Thompson, state your name for the record.
Joanne Thompson.
Your Honor, there is currently a bond violation.
Yes.
So Judge, as per the PCC, we are asking for an adjournment to give us an opportunity to review some information with Ms. Thompson and continue negotiations. I'll get that green sheet over to the court in a moment. My understanding is that the bond violation was based on her not setting up her, I guess, registration with community corrections and not testing. When she came to court, she was aware of the bond violation. She did make a request that she be allowed to log in on Zoom. The court denied that because of the violation. We informed her of the violation at that point. She has gone to community corrections. She has a picture of her ID. So they said that they'd be able to get her set up with that, but she doesn't have the $12 to test. She indicates that she will be able to get some money this evening and can go and test in the morning tomorrow.
How come she didn't do it before then?
What did you say?
She didn't do it before then.
So, Your Honor, the case has just a little bit of history. While Ms. Thompson was incarcerated on this matter, when she was released, she came home and she found out that her spouse was deceased. I don't know if the court has any background information on that. So she adjourned the last PCC because she was in the middle of dealing with everything relating to that. I believe there's some type of investigation that has been opened up to find out exactly what the cause of death was. So she's a mother of 3 children. She's on her own now, handling those 3 children. And it was just a lot for her to handle. But she reached out to our office and asked for that initial adjournment, knowing when her court date was. She reached out to our office asking if she could log in on Zoom because she wasn't sure if she'd be able to make it for this hearing. And she's here today, Your Honor. So, and she's since gone to community corrections. This is my first time actually having an opportunity to speak with her and meet with her, but I am on the case now, so I'm going to do my best to see if we can.
She's going to be able to get money and test tomorrow.
Yes. First thing in the morning I can.
During probable cause hearing at September 4th, 2025, with their regular testing. I need an order indicating that she's going to continue with it, but she does need to test tomorrow.
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'll have her bond continue. If you don't go into test tomorrow, I'm going to issue a bench warrant, no bond. We'll just hold it.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Thank you.
Court calls the case People versus, is it Myron Watson?
Alexander on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
And again, we have Mr. Watson, who's approaching to my right. State your name for the record.
Jamira Watson.
Your Honor, requesting to adjourn this matter. We weren't able to get a hold of Mr. Watson prior to this probable cause conference. Well, now we got a hold of him.
Where do we have 2?
It was for the one Mrs.
So it's on another case? You tried to just sneak it in? Really? So you couldn't get it in on time, and so you tried to, hang on a second, we have to deal with this, Mr. Watson. And you tried to sneak it in with his case?
No. Handed you 2 by accident.
That's what?
It's for the case that was just called. Okay, I just want to make sure.
No, that one. Ann has the file? Oh. She does that in her own order. All right. Probable cause conference. I'll adjourn to September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. bond will continue. All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Marianne Williams.
APA Rachel McDuffie for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Davy Leba on behalf of Mr. Williams. I believe he is on Zoom. Mr. Williams, could you unmute and state your name, sir?
You have it? Sir?
He has been dropping.
Okay, got it. Williams? Where do you have him?
He has a photo. He's holding. I think he's on your next screen.
Marion Williams?
Can we pass this matter? Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Brady Warden.
Alexander on behalf of the people, Your Honor. Hannah Mackey on behalf of Mr. Warden, who is approaching. Please state your name.
Brady Warden. Thank you.
Your Honor, requesting to set this matter for preliminary examination and all discovery is complete as far as we're aware.
People have the witnesses available on the 19th.
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
All right. Preliminary examination in person will be set August 19th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Moore. I'll continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, Your Honor.
You do the same. Court calls the case, People versus Jelani Wright.
Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Mr. Wright, Your Honor.
Right.
Oh, there he is. All right. What are we doing?
Your Honor, we are going to waive over to circuit court. I have.
He's waiving. Mr. Wright, is that correct? You're waiving your preliminary examination?
Yes.
You understand that that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed it?
Yes.
You understand you'll not have that hearing? You'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution?
Yes.
People also waived it, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendants bound over to circuit court on the single count.
Your Honor, we would stand mute and we would waive formal reading.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial in this matter will be set for
September 29th at 1:30.
September 29th, 2025, 1:30 before Judge Hammoud.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bond continue. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case, People versus Isaac Sepulveda.
Allen on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Rob J. Kilwald on behalf of Isaac Sepulveda. Isaac, would you state your name for the record?
I'm Isaac Sepulveda.
Sorry about that. Judge, I was just appointed yesterday. I had a green sheet this morning, forgot to turn it in, but we're asking for an adjournment.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Isaac, I'll be talking to you. Bye.
All right, bye.
Thank you so much.
Court calls the case, People versus Molly Fox.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ellen Dennis appearing on behalf of Molly Fox. We're here, I believe, to enter a no contender plea to an added count 2.
The plea form that I have indicates that the defendant will be pleading no contest to the charge of child abuse fourth, the 1-year offense. Upon her successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. The defendant agrees to enter and complete the 14B recovery court. And also there's a sentence agreement that she's to enter and complete the 14B recovery program, probation conditions as set, and abide by, I guess, probation conditions as set forth by probation.
She is currently at the Dawn Farms, and it's my understanding that once she appears before Judge Washington, she'll continue with Dawn Farms as while being in the recovery court.
May I have, that's the court's full understanding. May I have her sworn?
You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give be the truth, no truth, and nothing but the truth, says God.
Yes.
Lower your hand and say your full name.
Molly Fox.
All right. Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading no contest to the charge of child abuse 4th degree. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and up to 5 years of probation.
Yes.
All right. Do you understand what a no contest plea is?
Yes.
All right, two things about it I have to make sure that you understand. The first thing is it means that you're not further desirous or wanting to contest this charge. You understand that?
Yes.
Second thing you need to understand is that for purposes of sentencing, the court will treat you the same as though you had pled guilty. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. You understand also, ma'am, because the box wasn't checked, but I will advise you that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Washington in the 14B District Court.
Yes.
All right. Basis for the no contest plea?
Is it potential civil
liability?
Oh, you mean, oh, I'm sorry. I didn't understand the question. Yes, potential civil liability from the victim and also minor witnesses to the offense.
All right. Ma'am, to that charge, how do you plead?
No contest.
All right. You understand that by pleading no contest, you will not have a trial of any kind?
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading no contest, you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yeah.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily?
Yes.
And of your own free will?
Yes.
Court has been provided and has reviewed Washtenaw County Sheriff's Office report for their case number 255628. Any objection to the court having reviewed that report?
No, Your Honor, we would ask that it be marked and admitted as exhibit 1 as a basis.
No objection, Your Honor.
Based upon a review of that report, the court does find that there's a sufficient factual basis in which the court could determine the defendant's guilt of this offense. Ma'am, prior to accepting your plea, I have to advise you that if between the time of my acceptance of the plea and your time of your sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, you would not be able to withdraw your plea, and also the court would no longer be bound by any type of sentence evaluation or agreement. You understand that?
Yes.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or inducements that have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court rule, and would it be proper to accept this defendant?
The people are satisfied.
I believe you'll have, Your Honor.
The court will accept the defendant's plea of no contest to this charge. That being count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14B probation. Sentencing in this case will take place
September 11th at 10 a.m.
September 11th, 2025, 10 a.m. before Judge Washington.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond will continue. That way. Court calls case People versus Matthew Brown.
Good afternoon again, Your Honor. Christina Costantino appearing on behalf of Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown, can you please unmute and state your name for the court?
He's right here. Mr. Brown, can you state your name, please, sir?
Yes, Matthew Brown.
Thank you. All right. Are we ready? What are we doing?
Judge, this is the date and time set for PCC. We would be asking for an adjournment of the PCC for further negotiations and to ensure discovery is complete.
All right. Probable cause conference will be adjourned September. Your last one, what did I put it to, Ms. Constantino?
I think you did the 4th, but you can do the 11th. If I understand if the docket's getting filled, it doesn't matter. I'll be there both days.
Okay, fantastic. September 11th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court does call the case. People versus Andrew Patton.
Christina Costantino appearing on behalf of Mr. Patton. Andrew, can you please unmute and state your name for the court?
Andrew Spencer Patton.
Okay, what are we doing?
Judge, it's a date and time set for PCC. I believe that discovery is complete and we would be asking to have this matter set for a preliminary exam.
People had their witnesses available the 19th.
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination. I'm sorry.
Judge, I really apologize. I'm not available on the 19th. Is it at all possible to have a different date?
Sure. I can do my next date as well. I have the 26th and then any Tuesday thereafter. So I can do the 26th or I can do the 2nd, 9th. Which would you prefer, Counsel?
The 26th would be great. Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you.
Preliminary examination, August 26, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Washington. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Court calls case of People versus James Henry Williams III.
APA Rachel McDuffie for the people.
Christina Costantino on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, can you please unmute and state your name?
Yes, ma'am. James Henry Williams III.
Thank you. Judge, this is a date and time set for PCC. We would be asking for an adjournment of this matter. We are still waiting for completion of a mitigation report. The still waiting for is not due at all to Mr. Williams. It's just taken our mitigation specialist a bit longer to complete that report. So we would be asking for an adjournment so that process can be completed.
I'm sorry. Shannon Remsen.
Ready, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Judge. I didn't hear what date the court moved Mr. Williams' case to.
Oh, did I?
I think the audio was turned off. Okay. Thank you.
September 11th. I'm sorry.
No problem. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right. People versus Remsen. Counsel, state your appearances.
Mr. Douglas for the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Tyrone Ruck on behalf of Mr. Shannon Remsen. Mr. Remsen, please unmute and state your full name.
Full name is Shannon Marcel Remsen.
Thank you.
All right. Very good. All right. What are we doing on this case?
Your Honor, I think we're here. This is the PCC. I believe I have all paper discovery. I would ask if there's any digital discovery that'd be forwarded, but we'd be looking for a preliminary examination date, Judge.
Has all discovery been sent?
I believe so, Your Honor, but it could be back to back. Your Honor, there is media discovery, but it looks like it was sent. I don't know if this counsel saying he didn't get the media notice.
Did you get the media notice, Counsel?
I don't believe so, Your Honor. I forwarded it to my client and I went over all the paper discovery. I don't recall, but I can't go back and check. It could have been, but I went through all the paper, both my client and I don't recall any media.
It was sent, says July 22nd.
It was
Okay.
sent July 22nd.
Okay,
So
I'll
you-
go back.
Okay, he likely has that then. I'll set it for preliminary examination. People have their witnesses available the 26th. Preliminary examination in person, August 26, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before Judge Barr.
Judge?
Yes, sir.
I have a hearing at 9:45 in Hazel Park. Should I try to reach out to them if I need to reschedule?
Yes.
Okay. And who did you say the judge was?
Judge Barr.
Barr. Okay. Okay. And one last thing, could I have the number of who's going to be the APA? A matter I need to discuss with them, he or she.
Can have my email and then I will, my number in that. It's Douglas J. at washtenaw.org.
Thank you.
Everything.
All right, thank you.
All right, take care, Judge.
You do the same. Court calls the case, the people versus Martha Barona.
Attorney Stephen Mamet on behalf of the defenders approaching to my left. Oh, I apologize, Your Honor. Attorney Stephen Mamet on behalf of the defenders standing to my right, Your Honor. Your Honor, we were just provided the discovery today, this afternoon. There's an extensive amount of discovery on this matter.
Those models. Thank you. Go ahead.
There's an extensive amount of discovery on this matter. So we would ask for an adjournment so I can go over the materials. There is obviously a language barrier, so we'll take some time to go over everything in this matter, Your Honor.
You're waiving today the interpreter.
Yes, and there was something that happened last week. I may have stepped away from the computer and we came in and that's why it's adjourned today. But at this point, Your Honor, yeah, I'm waiving the interpreter and would like to set this out a decent amount of time so we can go over this, Your Honor.
That objection, September 11th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
2025.
Okay.
9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case People versus Keith Elder.
Afternoon, Your Honor. Dan Garrett on behalf of Mr. Alder. Keith, can you state your name?
Keith Alder, and he's waiving.
He is, Your Honor. He was accepted into the adult treatment court, but it is a straight waiver.
All right. Sir, you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination?
That's correct.
And you understand that that's a proceeding where the people have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed it?
Yes, sir.
You understand you'll not have that hearing, you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution?
Yes, sir.
People also waive the right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is bound over to circuit court on a single count.
Your Honor, will waive its reading. Stand mute. Ask for pretrial, please.
Defendant having waived oral reading, standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be
September 30th at 1:30 with Judge Hunt.
September 30th, 2025, 1:30, Judge Comfy. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Court calls the case People versus Zachary Brown.
Afternoon, Your Honor. Dan Garrett on behalf of Zach Brown.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Zach Brown.
And I have before me a plea form that indicates the defendant will be pleading guilty to the charge of reckless driving, a 93-day offense. On a successful plea to that charge, count one would be dismissed. That is the court's full understanding of the agreement.
It is indeed, Your Honor.
May I have him sworn?
Do you solemnly swear or affirm to testify to give thee the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? That what you got?
I do.
Lower your hand and say your name.
Zachary Brown.
Sir, this is court understanding you are going to plead guilty to the charge of reckless driving. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You also understand, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge and you can be sentenced before Judge Freshour in the 1483 district.
Yes, Your Honor.
So wish to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And to the charge, how do you plead?
No contest.
No, you plead guilty. Say guilty.
Guilty.
You know, I don't think it's ever happened that way.
I agree.
All right.
I don't know how he knows what that means.
Heard it earlier.
Okay.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You signed an advice of rights form. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any question regarding those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy at the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten or coerce you?
No, Your Honor.
Doing this voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
Of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
And because you believe that you are indeed guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
May 7th, 2025, at the location of Whitmore Lake Road near 5 Mile Road, Northfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to hear?
Sure.
Go ahead.
Mr. Brown, at that time, you were driving a Camaro. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Were you speeding in that Camaro?
Yes, sir.
You can just answer my questions, okay? And at that time, did you drive in what was called a reckless or willful and wanton disregard for the safety of those people in the community?
Yeah.
And you did so despite eventually a police officer coming to try to pull you over. Is that correct?
Yeah.
All right. Sir, I have to advise you that if I accept your plea and you commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules between the time I accept your plea and the time of your sentencing, then any sentence evaluation or any sentence evaluation by the court would no longer be bound. The court would no longer be bound by, and you would not be permitted to withdraw your plea. You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or inducements that have caused this plea?
No, Your Honor.
All right. And have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14A3 probation. Sentencing will be
October 6th at 9 a.m. with Judge Freshour.
October 6, 2025, 9 a.m. Judge Freshour. Bond will complete.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case People versus Nathan McPherson.
Ally's in on behalf of people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Dan Garrett on behalf of Nathan McPherson, who's here by Zoom.
Mr. McPherson, can you state your name, please?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Nathan McPherson.
Got it.
Our discovery is complete. Mr. McPherson and I are asking for an exam date, please.
You will have their witnesses available the 19th.
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person will be set August 19th, 2025 at 12 noon. That's before me.
People don't have to try their best if they don't want.
Pardon?
They don't have to try their best. As far as I'm concerned.
They don't, but they always do. By default, they always do. All right, thank you, sir. Court calls the case People versus Torrance Oaks.
Ready, Your Honor.
Hi,
Just
Hello, what's your name?
Lawrence Oaks.
Your Honor, I didn't hear the people put their appearance in the record.
Jennifer Douglas for the people?
She has now.
Thank you. Joe Simon on behalf of Ms. Oaks. Your Honor, we're requesting the matter to be set for preliminary exam.
Discovery is complete.
Yes.
People have their witnesses available the 19th.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person, August 19th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before Judge Moore.
Okay.
Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Charles Tingley.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Amy Reiser, appearing on behalf of the people.
And Joe Simon on behalf of Mr. Tingley. Mr. Tingley, will you please unmute and state your name?
Got him?
Yeah.
Oh, he does. Okay. Oh, there he is.
Charles Tingley.
All right. All right. What are we doing?
Your Honor, in this case, the pre-CC has been adjourned so many times to try to accomplish a police polygraph that for reasons cannot be understood haven't been accomplished. Ms. Reiser suggested today that we set the matter for preliminary exam. I don't oppose that, but I am going to request something a little unusual. Can we set it for September 9? The reason is this actually may not end up being an exam. My client's health isn't great and he travels a substantial distance from northern Michigan. And if there's any way we can make resolution without him coming back, I'd want that time.
Any objection on behalf of the people?
To the September 19th.
Yeah.
No objection.
And discovery is complete and people would have their witnesses available that date, I'm presuming. So
Yes. To both of those questions.
gotcha. Set preliminary examination September 9th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before
Judge Valvo.
Judge Valvo.
Thank you.
Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case, People versus Ryan Bootsek.
Alexander on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
And good afternoon, Your Honor. Miles Drew on behalf of Mr. Ryan Busick, who's approaching to my right. Mr. Busick, could you please state your name for the record?
Good afternoon, Ryan Busick.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for a probable cause conference. Discovery is complete and the defendant would be asking to set this matter for a preliminary examination. I did hear the court earlier often scheduling them for the 19th. That is a day I have a conflict, but I am available on the 26th or September 2nd.
People have their witnesses available on the 26th.
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person, September 26, 2024, or August 26, excuse me, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before Judge Washington.
Very good. Thank you, Your Honor. I hope you and your staff have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case of the People versus Adrian German.
And good afternoon, Your Honor. Miles Drew is standing in for the counsel of record, Hassan Hamad, P number 84554. Mr. Gurman, could you please unmute yourself and state your name for the record and let the court know whether I have your permission to stand in for Mr. Hamad?
Yes, go ahead. Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Adrian Gurman.
All right. You have no objection to counsel stepping in for the attorney of record, sir?
No.
All right. What are we doing?
And from talking to counsel, Your Honor, we would be asking for an adjournment to continue negotiations and client discussions on an offer that has been made.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continues.
September 4th, 9 a.m. Thank you very much, Judge. Hope you and your staff have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Court calls the case People versus Rashad Shafi.
Rachel McDuffie for the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Tina Saxon for Mr. Shafi. Mr. Shafi, please state your name for the court.
Rashad Shafi.
There he is. Okay. All right. What are we doing?
Your Honor, I'm asking for a preliminary exam. I believe I do have all written and digital discovery.
Why don't I have him reporting for testing?
Your Honor, he's... I'm sorry, go ahead.
No, go ahead. She's addressing Bond. Go ahead.
Mr. Shafi has been in residential treatment for the last
Got it.
24 days. And prior to that, he was at Bear River.
Okay.
And he was in a motorcycle accident before I got the case.
Okay. So what do you want me to do with this today?
I'm asking for a preliminary exam date. He should be out of treatment in the next week, within the next week.
Within the next week? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I was just advising, I don't know if it makes a difference in terms of council schedule or the courts, but Mr. Shafi's other 2 exams that have been adjourned for the past several months while he's been in treatment are currently adjourned out to August 26th.
Okay, guys, I'm bored. Let's switch it up a little bit. I found a new channel last night, and I didn't download this, but I figure we can just rip it right off of the main channel. So I figure we'll do a body cam switch up real quick. This channel is called Squad Car Cam, and based on the number of subscribers, he looks like he's fairly new. He's got a lot more than me, but 1,500. And I think he's probably directly involved with this police department. And I believe this is Illinois. Oh, my boss is calling me. This one was pretty fun. So let's switch it up real quick, and then if you guys want to go back to Simpson, we will. Ready? Let me make me a little bit smaller. Okay. This one's fun. I liked it when I watched it last night. Ready, set, where's the play button? Oh, it's on the other screen. Go.
Your narrative has been updated. Dispatch update. Dispatch update.
Yeah, this one starts off quick.
Dispatch update.
$53.18, $10.50 involved. I just got rear-ended by a Chevy truck. I'm okay, and we'll check for injuries on the other driver. What was that? You literally just rear-ended me. Yeah, I know. Put your car in park. You're good to go. Go ahead. Yep. 5318. Close my traffic stop. Close it, admin, please. Are you hurt? No, I'm not. Okay, let me see your driver's license. Have you been drinking? Because it smells like alcohol. No? It smells like alcohol. About 300 feet north of Wadsworth. Subject is possibly 1055. How much have you had to drink? Okay. Does it smell alcohol? 18 to file. G George 620-4347-2364. Yeah, it smells like alcohol. Turn off your vehicle, give me the keys.
No problem, Sly. Thanks for hanging out all day. Well, if Colin's gonna stream tonight, then yeah, he's probably on the road. But this one started fun. Just a nice little rear end to a parked cop with his lights on.
Turn off your vehicle.
But what I was thinking is, you know all those videos where somebody calls somebody and says, I need you to come get me, I got pulled over, blah, blah, blah. Well, if you accidentally come... Hey! Sorry, my dog. If you come to the rescue of your other half and accidentally rear end up, stop barking, police officer, then you get her out of the ticket, or him.
Give me the keys. Step out of the vehicle for me. Easy, easy. You know what? Just stay in there for right now. Stay in there for right now. I don't want you to fall. How much have you had to drink? How much?
Drank my body.
How much have you had to drink? Because I smell alcohol and you're...
Dude, you can... You smell it. Okay.
Just listen to what he's gonna say. Okay?
You haven't been drinking at all?
No.
Okay. Are you willing to blow into my portable breathalyzer then? Really? Okay. Perfect. Sounds good.
I'm not gonna drink. I'm not gonna breathe.
Okay, well, that's what I just asked you. You're not gonna breathe?
No.
Okay. Okay, so we'll go about it another way then. You willing to do field sobriety testing?
What?
Okay, I'm just gonna need you to do a few things, okay?
I'm not gonna...
Okay, get your hands out of your pocket for me. Do you have any weapons on you? Any guns or anything like that?
Guns?
Just any firearms on you?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I got my phone, my keys.
Yeah, turn it on.
Is this video lagging for you guys? I think it might be lagging. Let me know. Is it lagging? If it is, I think I know how to get rid of it. I think I need to just close out Simpson stream in the background. And honestly, I think I might be done after this, because there's just a lot of streaming for me today. Anyway, let me know if it's lagging.
Make sure there's no weapons on you. Let's pat you down real quick, all right? Step on your feet. Step on your feet.
Hey.
No guns, knives,
Okay.
Right here.
Okay. Are you willing to do?
Right here is my...
All right. Are you willing to do what I ask you to do? Okay. Okay, come here then. Come here.
I'm gonna go over there.
Why?
Why not?
Are you going to cooperate or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So I need you to do a few things for me, okay? We're gonna do a few things just to make sure that you're not impaired, okay? Or you can blow into my portable breathalyzer.
I'm not gonna blow on your...
Okay.
All right, hey, someone else other than search though. And then we're gonna have rest come out.
All right.
Are you gonna teach?
No. All right, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Okay, I think I fixed the jumpiness, so there's... Whoa, how much time? This one's about halfway over. Another reason I played this is because whoever posted this, he seems like a nice guy. He's got a good channel. It's building. But he needs some grammar school. You'll see what I mean.
I'm not.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back right now. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Resisting. You are on the
Turn
Garcia, we got it.
turn around. Let's turn around. Put your hands behind
Stop
your back.
resisting. You are under arrest. Stop resisting. You are under arrest. Stop resisting. You are under arrest. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. Dude.
Okay, then just stay calm.
I'm
You're
not
under
resisting,
arrest,
dude.
okay?
When did I resist it? Look, you grabbed my iPod.
Yeah.
5313. One in custody.
Let me grab my iPod. My ear. My ear. Let me grab my ear.
Actually, obviously not my.
No, we'll take.
Let me grab my ear, dude.
No, let's go. Let's go.
Let me grab my ear.
Let's go.
Stop resisting. Well, I had to do me fair. Just take Surge's spot because it's just Surge. Just because you were involved, we're gonna take it. Okay.
Grammys, whatever they are.
5313 attached 1178. We'll take that person that I think 19 or 18 ran CQH and driver's abstract to email.
Hey, my wife's coming, so he's gonna... Stop right there, okay?
Time for it. Thank you.
Is that okay? My wife's coming. No, she's coming.
You under arrest, Lieutenant?
Yeah. Okay.
'Cause you're under arrest.
Why is that? Why is that? Because. Okay. No. You gotta tell me why.
Yeah, you're under arrest. Put your feet on. Get in.
You're under arrest for DUI. You are under arrest for resisting officer. Get in the car.
I have no idea what he said, but I know before I finish this video, I'm going to go back and play the crash again because that was pretty funny. And then his reaction, because he was pretty nonchalant about this. I mean, he knew he hit the cop car.
Do it now or you're going to get more charges.
Dude, you gotta tell me why.
You are under arrest for DUI. Get in the car. Do it now. Stop resisting.
Put your feet in.
If you hit one of us, you're going to be in jail for a long time. Stop resisting.
I'm not hitting anybody.
Put your feet in.
I'm not hitting anybody,
Put your
dude.
feet in.
Hey, sir, I'm going to make this very clear. We're getting a lawful order. Put your feet in. You are under arrest. If you do not do so, you're going to get more charges. Then put your feet in the car. Do it now. Do you understand that?
I am understanding
Then
that.
do it.
Put your feet in. Lift your feet up.
Dude, why you understand?
Lift your legs up and go in there.
Dude,
Either that
you
or...
don't understand.
Yeah. All right.
Go this way.
Okay.
Feet down. I'm pulling back our way.
Okay.
Yep. There you go. Teamwork.
Yeah, so why is he under arrest? It's a little bit of a stretch. He ran into the back of the cop car, and then they asked him out of the car to do field sobriety tests, and he said, "Wait, did he get out of the car? I don't remember if he got. I think he got out of the car on his own, didn't he?" And then he said he would do field sobriety tests, and then he said he wouldn't do field sobriety tests, and the cop basically assumes that he's drunk. That's why he's getting arrested without the field sobriety test. Even though they offered a roadside breathalyzer, he refused that too. But I think the cop still thinks that he's drinking or drunk. I think it summarizes the charges at the end, but I'm not 100% sure on this video.
Thanks for drinking. Let's kind of pull it so it tightens up top here. Yeah. Should kind of pull in on itself. Maybe I'll mess up one. There you go. There you go. Okay.
He's not gonna do that.
5341. This is why she can go away.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. A shocking scene unfolding one evening in Beach Park, Illinois. According to local reporting, Jesus Garcia was accused of driving under the influence when he rear-ended a Lake County Sheriff's Deputy squad car around 8:20 p.m. at Lewis Avenue and Wadsworth Road. The deputy had pulled a car over for a traffic stop with lights flashing in the darkness for everyone to see, except for one individual. Thankfully, the officer was uninjured. According to the police report, during the investigation, deputies detected a strong odor of alcohol on the driver's breath. After refusing initial commands, he was ultimately arrested and later charged with multiple offenses. Why does this matter? I'm glad you asked. It's a stark reminder that impaired driving doesn't just put the driver at risk. Law enforcement and innocent bystanders are vulnerable too.
He even emphasized the axed. Come on, guy. Gotta get rid of the axe.
Even during traffic stops. Drive sober or get pulled over. What's next? So, Mr. Garcia was...
Okay, so he had a ton of issues. I think I might need to hit play to so the top and bottom isn't cut off. Failure to yield to emergency vehicle, that was obvious. Illegal possession, transportation, I think that's liquor, so probably unopened container. Expired registration, no insurance, failure to reduce speed. And then I think the top one, resist, obstruct officer, and I think one of them is a DWI.
Charged with and issue citations for resisting, obstructing officer, firefighter, corrections employee, failure to yield to emergency vehicle, illegal possession / transportation of liquor by driver, registration, expiration, first and second, operating uninsured motor vehicle, failure to reduce speed to avoid an accident. Mr. Garcia was released from jail on a personal recognition bond, and according to court records, Mr.
Did he say personal recognition bond? Oh, man. Perhaps recognizance?
Mr. Garcia took a plea deal and pleaded guilty to failure to yield right away to emergency vehicle, also known as Scott's Law in Illinois, and driving under the influence. He was sentenced to 240 hours of public service, 18 months probation, and court fees. Thanks for tuning in. If this story caught your attention, smash the like button below. Please subscribe and drop a comment to share your...
Yeah, so it's a newer channel. All of his stuff is in Illinois, so I forgot the sub-state is Illinois. I forgot what the city. The official state is Florida because all body cam comes from Florida. So city from the state of Illinois, the sub-state of Illinois to the main state of Florida. Now, just real quick, let's watch the crash one more time.
Dispatch update. Status modified by dispatch. Your narrative has been updated. Your narrative has been updated. Dispatch update. Dispatch update.
And one more time.
Dispatch update.
Okay, one more. Okay, maybe one more.
Dispatch update.
I had to do it. I had to do it a bunch of times. Oh, man. Okay, what do I miss in the chat? Yeah, I can't even drink and drive anymore. Let's see. Let's close this. Let's make me bigger. I think that's all I have in me, guys. I'm sorry. It was a short stream today. It was only a few hours, several hours today. But you guys are freaking awesome. And one day I will get monetized. And you guys give free membership somehow. I think I can assign. I know most of them are random. I mean, I don't imagine I'll start off by doing memberships anyway. But like I said, I got 2 babies to feed. 2 babies. And they're expensive. Plus, I spent like 14 grand fixing my truck, which sucked. And then my dog had cancer. And she's awesome now. Oh, hold on. Let me get my dog. Oh, you don't like that. That's not comfortable for you. This is my Frenchie. She's like my golden child. She's the... Okay, you're not comfortable. Hang on. Ugh. She's a chunk. Yeah, this one's my baby. She's the perfect dog. If you want to go play, she'll go play. If you want to just lie and do nothing, she'll lie and do nothing. If you want to walk, she'll walk. If you don't want to walk, she doesn't want to walk. She's freaking awesome. Anyway, this is my baby. My other baby is a little bit of a handful. I'll put her on a different stream, but this is my baby. Anyway, let me set her down real quick. Oh, she's getting heavy. Frenchies are supposed to be like 25 to 30 pounds. She's a little heavier than that. Anyway, I appreciate you guys. There's a bunch of things in the description if you want to support the channel. And best thing you can do is just go back and watch some of the old stuff, provide me some feedback, write some comments. If you ever come across a video that has an echo, I promise at some point in the video I fix it, usually quicker than not, but it does get fixed. So if you fast forward through part of it, you'll eventually find the fix of the echo. I know Edie's pretty familiar with that. I was planning on doing a whole bunch of body cam videos that I downloaded last night and yesterday, none of which I played today. So I do have a stream set up based on Legal Fiction's lineup. I'll probably save them for tomorrow and see if Colin gets back on time. But yeah, you guys are awesome. Let me I don't see my chat. Oh god, dude, my chat stopped working again. Let's see, what was irregardless. Oh man, I'm sorry about your cat. Yeah, this dog had cancer, and she also had an issue with one of her vertebrae, which caused her extreme pain, and then it cost us like a fortune for her to feel better, but she's doing great now, and the cancer's gone. She just has a massive scar, kind of like on her one of her back legs. Hawk took my prairie dog. Hawk took my prairie dog. Oh, hopefully you mean that literally, because that's pretty funny. Okay, you guys are awesome again. I'm going to finally stop streaming today. So, stream number 2 was 3 hours. Stream number 1 was like just as long. And I got some work to do. I'm working today. So apparently I'm working tonight. Okay, you guys are awesome. All the stuff that you already said. Man, it's so hard to say goodbye.